Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Torn between the Sony 28-70mm zoom lens and the Nikon 105mm macro lens? On the surface, they might seem similar, but they cater to completely different photography styles. It's like comparing a minivan to a sports car.
The Sony B07BYYH-28H definitely has that compact, travel-friendly vibe. At just 1 pound, it won't weigh you down. But is a renewed lens durable enough for serious travel?
Good question. But remember, renewed means it's been inspected and tested. Think of it as a pre-owned car with a warranty. And that 28-70mm range is super versatile. You're getting landscapes at 28mm and decent portraits at 70mm, all with optical SteadyShot image stabilization.
Okay, but the Nikon B01M7RA FKW feels like a different beast altogether. It's noticeably heavier at 1.74 pounds and feels more premium. Is that extra weight worth lugging around?
Absolutely, if you're after macro magic. Let's dive into the core differences and see which lens truly aligns with your photographic goals. Right, the Sony's 28-70mm range, f/3.5-5.6 aperture, makes it a great walk-around lens. Vacation snapshots, family gatherings, even some street photography. It's a jack of all trades, master of none, but very convenient.
Exactly. The Nikon, though, is a dedicated 105mm macro lens with a fast f/2.8 aperture. We're talking about capturing the intricate details of a flower's stamen, the facets of an insect's eye, or the sparkle in a gemstone. It focuses as close as 12 inches.
Here's a key point. The Sony has built-in Optical SteadyShot, which helps compensate for shaky hands. The Nikon, being a macro lens, really benefits from a tripod, especially at higher magnifications. Tiny movements become huge blurs.
True, but that wider f/2.8 aperture on the Nikon isn't just for letting in more light. It creates stunning bokeh, that beautiful creamy background blur that makes your subject pop. The Sony, with its smaller aperture, struggles to achieve that same effect, especially in low light.
So it boils down to what excites you more: capturing a wide range of subjects easily, or getting incredibly detailed close-up shots.
If you value versatility, portability, and image stabilization for general photography and video, the renewed Sony 28-70mm is a solid budget-friendly choice at around $226.
But if you're passionate about macro photography, crave extreme detail, and want that gorgeous bokeh, the Nikon 105mm macro, even at around $480, is the lens that will unlock your creative vision.
Both are excellent lenses, but for very different purposes. So consider what you love to shoot, and choose the lens that fuels your photographic passion.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.